Hey there and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Anthony Arasso. I do men's lifestyle tips, creative content, and stuff like that. So if you like that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that little bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really simple pendant by finding a nice little pendant piece like this on Etsy or Amazon or something like that, and finding a nice chain, a nice clasp, and putting it all together. And now you have a new pendant necklace that you can pair with other stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this simple DIY. But before we get this video started, go ahead and check out my new website called Anthony.com. If you're watching this video right now, then there's probably stuff coming soon. If you're watching this video in the future, then I already have some products on there for you to shop from. I create pieces that are unique and that are a little bit out there, so if you like that kind of stuff, definitely check the website out in the description below. So with all that said, without any further ado, let's get started on this DIY project, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need. So the first thing you'll need for this pendant DIY is chain. The chain I'm using is 2 millimeters. You'll need a pendant. This pendant is from Etsy. You'll need a clasp, some jump rings, tailor's tape, and 2 sets of pliers if you need to close your jump rings. So the first thing you want to do is you want to measure out your chain. I'm measuring mine out to about 20 inches because that's about how low I want it to drop on my chest. You are then going to add your clasp with a jump ring to one side of the chain, and to the opposite end you are going to add just 1 jump ring. You will now take your pendant and add a jump ring to the pendant, and you'll leave the pendant jump ring open, and you'll add your chain into that jump ring and then close it up. That way your pendant will move freely throughout the chain. And now you have a completed pendant necklace. You can find findings like this or pendants like this from Etsy, Amazon, or your local craft store. So they're really easy to find, so I will list everything that I used in this video down in the description below. So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple DIY. It's definitely something anybody can do to make something like this that looks like you bought it somewhere, and it looks like it's more expensive than it was. So if you enjoyed that video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also hit that little bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video, and I will see you in the next one.